Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to fix the Dismhost.exe as well as the 0x2 error when you're running scheduled Windows Defender scans and notice there's a lot of temp files or folders being created this link, and I'll show you on how to resolve it. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer ay kana mo lang search yung cmd or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then next ay click mo lang tong run as administrator. So dito sa ating administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na sfc /scannow and then copy lang natin yan, and then next ay paste lang natin dito, right? So, lagay mo lang dito ang sfc /scannow and then press mo lang yung enter. And then, kailangan lang natin hintayin ma-complete yung verification process. Alright, so as you can see guys, verifications 100% complete. And then, next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay itong dism /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, kailangan lang natin i-paste dito. Alright? So, kailangan mo lang i-enter itong dism /online /cleanup-image /RestoreHealth. And then, press mo lang yung enter. And then, next ay kailangan ulit natin hintayin ma-complete yung verification process. Alright, so makikita mo din dito na the operations completed successfully. Alright, so after completing this process with this two command keyword, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Alright, so cross lang natin yan. And then dito lang si start menu and then click mo lang itong restart para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin ayusin ang Dismhost.exe and 0x2 error for Windows Defender. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.